Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a really special day today as the channel hit its 1 millionth view this morning. So thank you all very, very much for your support of the channel. It's really, really important to me that we do well and we reach as many people as we can to help them, because you know, this is Chris Gibson Live, and this is where we help people look good, feel good, and live good. And it's your likes, your shares, your comments, and you subscribing that has made all the difference in the world, and how quickly we've grown and how many people we've helped. And I get feedback every day from people about how we're helping them. So it's really, really great to hear that. When I was fighting my acne breakouts and I was trying everything out there known to man and it was not working, it wasn't until I came across tea tree oil that I found something that actually made a difference. It actually helped clear up my skin, prevent future breakouts. And I learned this basically because my mother, who had a very debilitating skin condition, in fact, she passed from that skin condition as well. She got skin tears, where the skin would tear and roll back the top layer of skin. It was a pretty ugly tear. It was not a pleasant experience for her or any of us to try to help her with this. Her doctors could not get it healed. They tried everything. We went to wound centers, and I had remembered that tea tree oil had helped me when I had acne problems, and we tried it on her skin, and guess what? The skin tears healed, and not only did they heal, they didn't scar very much. So it was really, really kind of a miraculous thing that we discovered. And I began to look at tea tree oil a little bit closer, and have found that over the years it is just really great for everything. But there are some things that you need to know about tea tree oil. The first of all is that while it's easy to get, I mean, you can find it at Walmart, you can find it at grocery stores, you can find it anywhere, you have to get 100% organic tea tree oil. This is my brand of tea tree oil for my own skincare line that I have right here, but I will put a link in the video description box where you can find it. Because it can make such a big difference for your skin. What you want to look for is 100% organic melaleuca oil. That's what should be in the ingredients list, nothing else. It shouldn't be mixed or diluted with anything else, alcohol, petroleum, or any of those things on the label. It just should say 100% tea tree or melaleuca oil, and then you're good to go with that. Now, melaleuca oil is an essential oil that is so safe that it is even in ingredients that we use to treat pet conditions. You use it in fish tanks to help fish with the fungus that they get, ick. You've probably heard of that if you have a fish tank like I do. It's also in a lot of ingredients in shampoos for pets, for sensitive skin of pets, dogs and cats. So it's very, very safe to use. But even so, before you ever use anything, including tea tree oil, you would always want to do a little patch test 24 hours ahead, just to make sure that you don't have any sort of reaction to it. It's very rare, but it's always good to test. Now, the great thing about tea tree oil is that a little bit goes a long way, and you want to mix it with what we call a carrier oil. And a carrier oil is basically another oil to dilute the tea tree oil into, so that it's not 100% strength on your skin. You don't really need it to be that strong for it to work. So carrier oils can be olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, and it's very easy to do. It's 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil to 12 drops of whatever carrier oil it is that you want to use. Any of those 3 are fine. You just mix that up a little bit. You can do that in the palm of your hand, or if you want to make up enough to sort of have on hand, it does last, it doesn't go bad. You can use it that way. And what you want to do after you've mixed up the tea tree oil into the carrier oil is apply it to wherever the problem is. And if it's acne, you're going to apply that in the evening before retiring to bed, so that it has a chance to work overnight without you touching it or being worn off during the day. There's also a way to make a really great skin toner that is 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil to 2 ounces of witch hazel, just pure witch hazel. Again, both these ingredients are not very expensive. It makes an absolutely great toner for acne prone skin. It's great, it's absolutely great. Now, tea tree oil can be used for a lot of things. Scrapes, cuts, poison ivy, it helps with that. Scalp acne, psoriasis, eczema. It works extremely well with these when you follow these particular directions. Again, it's very inexpensive, scientifically backed. It has been shown in study after study, not to mention the loads of positive reviews that are out there on how well this product can work for you. It's really worth a try. If you've been struggling and haven't been able to get anything to work for your skin, this is worth it. Now, if you're finding this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for me, and put in the comments below if you find it's helpful. Just put yes if it's helpful, Chris, in the comments below. I really, really appreciate your comments. And come back and let me know how well it's working for you. And for a full list of all the essential oils and what they can do for your hair, skin, and nails that I've gone over on the show, I'm gonna put a couple of videos right over here. So please, by all means, hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you over on the next one.